to English listening practice, the future of space exploration. Welcome to English with Sophia, the future of space exploration. Hello, aspiring astronauts and English learners. Welcome back to English with Sophia. Today, we're blasting off into an exciting lesson about the future of space exploration. This topic will not only expand your cosmic knowledge, but also boost your English language skills to stellar heights. So, strap in, and let's embark on this linguistic and interstellar journey together. Warm-up, vocabulary, and discussion. Before we launch into our main content, let's start with some key vocabulary related to space exploration. Try to guess the meanings of these words. 1. Spacecraft. 2. Asteroid. 3. Colonization. 4. Orbit. 5. Extraterrestrial. Now, let's discuss. Have you heard these terms before? Can you use any of them in a sentence? Excellent work. We'll be using these terms and many more throughout our lesson. Remember, it's perfectly normal if some words seem alien to you at first. Learning new vocabulary is a journey, not a destination. What is space exploration? Let's begin by defining space exploration. Space exploration refers to the discovery and exploration of outer space using space technology. It involves both human spaceflight and robotic space missions to investigate celestial bodies, gather scientific data, and potentially establish human presence beyond Earth. Language focus. Notice how we use refer to define a term. Can you think of other phrases we use to explain scientific concepts in English? Discussion. Question. How would you explain space exploration to someone who knows very little about it? Try using simple language. Brief history of space exploration. To understand the future of space exploration, let's first take a quick look at its past. 1. 1957. The Soviet Union launches Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite. 2. 1961. Yuri Gagarin becomes the first human in space. 3. 1969. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin become the first humans to walk on the moon. 4. 1990. The Hubble Space Telescope is launched. 5. 1998. Construction of the International Space Station, ISS, begins. 6. 2012. NASA's Curiosity rover lands on Mars. 7. 2020. SpaceX becomes the first private company to send astronauts to the ISS. Vocabulary building. Let's break down some compound words we've used. Spaceflight, space plus flight, spacecraft, space plus craft, telescope, tele plus scope. Can you think of other compound words related to space or technology? Grammar focus, future tenses. When discussing the future of space exploration, it's crucial to use the correct future tenses. Let's review 3 common ways to express the future in English. 1. Will plus verb, used for predictions or spontaneous decisions. Example: humans will land on Mars within the next 20 years. 2. Be going to plus verb, used for plans or intentions. Example: NASA is going to launch a new mission to Jupiter next year. 3. Present continuous for future arrangements. Example: the SpaceX rocket is launching next Monday. Practice. Complete these sentences using the appropriate future form. 1. Scientists predict that we discover extraterrestrial life by 2050. 2. The space agency send a probe to study Saturn's rings next month. Answers: 1. Will discover. 2. Is going to send. 3. Are returning. The future of space exploration. Now, let's explore some exciting prospects for the future of space exploration. 1. Mars colonization. Plans are underway to establish human settlements on Mars. 2. Lunar base. Several space agencies aim to create a permanent human presence on the Moon. 3. Asteroid mining. Companies are developing technologies to extract valuable resources from asteroids. 4. Interstellar travel. Scientists are researching methods for long-distance space travel to other star systems. 5. Space tourism. Private companies are working to make space travel accessible to civilians. 6. Advanced space telescopes. New telescopes will allow us to study distant planets and galaxies in unprecedented detail. 7. Solar system exploration. Missions are planned to explore the moons of Jupiter and Saturn in search of potential life. Critical thinking task. Choose one of these future prospects and explain how it might benefit humanity. Share your thoughts in the comments section. Writing task. Write a short paragraph, 5 to 7 sentences, describing what you think space exploration will be like in 100 years. Use the future tenses we've learned and try to incorporate some of the new vocabulary. Challenges in future space exploration. While the future of space exploration is exciting, it also comes with significant challenges. 1. Technological limitations. We need to develop more advanced propulsion systems for long-distance space travel. 2. Human health. Extended periods in space can have negative effects on the human body. 3. Funding. Space exploration is expensive, and securing adequate funding can be challenging. 4. Ethical considerations. As we explore and potentially colonize other planets, we must consider the ethical implications. 5. Space debris. Increasing amounts of space junk in Earth's orbit pose risks to satellites and spacecraft. Discussion activity. In small groups or in the comments, discuss. Which of these challenges do you think is the most significant? Why? Can you think of any potential solutions to these challenges? Language practice. Use conditional sentences to speculate about these challenges. For example, if we develop more efficient propulsion systems, we will be able to travel to distant planets more quickly. The impact of space exploration on daily life. Space exploration isn't just about rockets and distant planets. It has a significant impact on our daily lives. Here are some examples. 1. satellite technology. GPS, weather forecasting, and global communications rely on satellites. 2. Medical advancements. Technologies developed for space missions have led to improvements in medical imaging and treatment. 3. Materials. Science. Materials developed for spacecraft are now used in everyday products. 4. Environmental monitoring. Satellites help us track climate change and natural disasters. 5. Inspiration and education. Space exploration inspires young people to pursue careers in science and technology. Research task. Choose one of these impacts and research more about it. Prepare a short presentation, 2 to 3 minutes, about your findings, using the future tenses we've learned where appropriate. Conclusion and quiz. As we conclude our cosmic journey through the future of space exploration, I hope you've not only expanded your English vocabulary and grammar skills, but also gained exciting insights into the possibilities that lie beyond our planet. Remember, the language of science and exploration is ever evolving, just like space technology itself. By continually improving your English skills, you're equipping yourself to understand and discuss the latest developments in this fascinating field. Now, let's test your understanding with a short quiz. 1. What does space exploration primarily refer to? A. Studying stars from Earth. B. The discovery and exploration of outer space using technology. C. Building telescopes. 2. Which of the following is not mentioned as a future prospect of space exploration? A. Mars colonization. B. Underwater cities. C. Asteroid mining. 3. Which future tense would you use to express a spontaneous prediction about space exploration? A. Will plus verb. B. Be going to plus verb. C. Present continuous. 4. Complete the sentence. Scientists. A new exoplanet next year. A. Will discover. B. Are going to discover. C. Are discovering. 5. Which of the following is a challenge in future space exploration? A. Lack of interest. B. Technological limitations. C. Too much funding. Answers: 1.B, 2.BB, 3.A, 4.B, 5BB. Thank you for joining me on this exciting exploration of space and English language. Don't forget to subscribe to English with Sophia for more out-of-this-world lessons that will skyrocket your language skills. Until next time, keep practicing your English and remember, in the vast universe of language learning, every small step is a giant leap for your personal growth. Additional resources. To continue learning about space exploration in English, check out these resources. NASA's official website, https://www.nasa.gov. European Space Agency, https esa.int, space.com, https www.space.com. Remember, engaging with authentic English language materials on scientific topics is an excellent way to improve your language skills while staying informed about exciting developments in space exploration.